Play, Zach.
Move a little bit closer. Play closer to the plate. You're still too far.
Yeah, he's.
Good job, Zach. Closer to the plate.
Put your nose, that's why he's throwing it. Ooh. Or he's throwing. He's throwing.
Closer to the plate. Hey.
It's all right.
Okay, watching my son's baseball game.
Swing or look? He wasn't gonna hit anyway. He's doing everything wrong with the back. I need something else. All right.
Put on.
I'm gonna make it work. So put over his team. Still looks way too far from the plate. You need to give himself a chance.
Good job, Alec.
That was a
Throw strike, Zach.
hitter's grounder because it was slow.
Yeah.
If that ball came off of his bat right here, I've never seen a kid run as fast as this kid. What's his name, Garrett?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it was like the goddamn wind.
Lightning.
Look ready.
Turn the hips.
We're doing later. What's on? No. John. We're doing later. What are you doing? What are you guys doing later?
I don't know yet. I don't think we're gonna do it. I don't know. I gotta see people.
Don was talking to Chris, asking him what time he was done, so I don't know if he's coming over or something.
There you go. That's in there.
Wow. Oh, slow today. Usually faster.